Chiropractic myth of the day: chiropractic adjustments are dangerous. That's not true. When an adjustment is performed by a trained and licensed chiropractor, they're generally safe. Research does indicate that some serious complications from an adjustment are extremely rare. They do happen, but it's very rare. In fact, most of our patients report feeling immediate relief and improved mobility following an adjustment. As a chiropractor, we undergo extensive education and training to ensure that we can safely and effectively adjust you, and it's tailored to your specific need. We don't just take a weekend course to figure out how we can pop, crack, and twist you. We're actually trained doctors, and in some cases, we are everyone's primary care physician, so we have an extensive knowledge in the background of the entire body and not just the spine.